Hey sugar, let's work on this blue vintage cake. The first thing I want to show you is a quick tip on how to get even sections for the size of your cake. You're going to take a circle of parchment that's about the same size as your cake and then fold that however many times to get the number of sections you want. In this case, I did 8 sections, and then you can use a toothpick or something else to mark off where each of those sections will go. And I was fighting for my life with these damn drop strings. I don't know what was going on. I'm going to blame the buttercream and just say it had a few too many air bubbles in it. Let's go with that, shall we? I finally got it done. That's also why I will start with those first. So that way, if I make any mistakes, that I can easily scrape it off and keep working without messing anything else up. I'm using a GG Cakecraft 102 tip to get these ruffles piped on. And then I'm using a Wilton 6B on the next step. Also, be sure to be continuing to scrape down your buttercream in your bag. That way it'll help you work cleaner and then just get a little bit more control on your buttercream. So there's that 6B tip. The inspiration picture they sent me had that kind of rope border at the top. So it's the first time I've done that on a vintage cake, and I don't hate it. I'm using a tip 21 to do these shells and also that reverse border. I forget exactly what it's called, but that one on the bottom. And then I'm using a tip 18 to do that top shell border. I also did it on the very top of the cake, but you couldn't see it from the angle, so I didn't include that footage. You'll see it in the next clip when I'm piping the message onto the cake. And then I'm just using my tweezers to add the pearls. I don't remember where I got these tweezers. I've tried to find multiples of them, but I just haven't been able to, so I don't know. And then just piping on the message, you can really see how much the lighting changed. I thought was interesting, but yeah, let me know if you guys have questions.